If you're having a problem with Climatronic or air conditioner AC on Volkswagen Golf Mk4, Jetta, Bora, Passat B5.5, Skoda Octavia Mk1, Fabia, Seat Leon 1M, Toledo, Cordoba, Audi A3 8L, Porsche, probably it's because of the interior temperature sensor or temperature sensor in fresh air intake duct. So, see where are these temperature sensors and how you replace it. Take a look in this video tutorial. There are two interior temperature sensors located on the HVAC box, located on the right side of the dashboard and on the left side of the center console. These sensors are G192, G89, or G263. If you have a problem with these interior temperature sensors, you should see in Vehicle Diagnosis this fault, 00787 temperature sensor in fresh air intake duct, G89, static open/short circuit to positive. To reach the G263 or G89 temperature sensor, you have to remove the glove box. To reach the G192 temperature sensor, you have to remove some covers above the pedals. Here is a HVAC box from a Volkswagen Golf Mk4 or Jetta with Climatronic system. This HVAC box is mounted also on VW Bora, Passat B5.5, Caddy, Skoda Octavia 1, Seat Leon 1M, Audi A3 8L. You can find these G192, G86, and G263 temperature sensors on Porsche 996, Boxster 986, 911 Turbo/GT2 RS, 997, Boxster 987, Cayman 987. You can see the location of G87 or G263 temperature sensor on HVAC box, that it's on the right side. To remove the sensor, you just have to twist it counterclockwise. You can find G89 or G263 temperature sensor using this serial number, 1J09075543. You can buy interior temperature sensor for VW, Skoda, Audi, Seat, Porsche at the link in the video description below. And to install it, you just have to put it in the vertical position and then turn it clockwise. Here is the G192 sensor, which you can remove it in the same way like the other one from the right side. You can find G192 temperature sensor using this serial number, 1H09075543A. If you know that are other interior temperature sensors, you can mention it in the comments. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto.